Let's learn VLOOKUP function. The VLOOKUP function is a popular Excel function used to search for a specific value in a vertical column, known as the lookup column, and retrieve corresponding information from another column in the same row. It is often used to perform quick and efficient data lookups and data retrieval tasks in Excel. The syntax of the VLOOKUP function is as follows. Equals VLOOKUP, lookup underscore value, table underscore array, call underscore index underscore number, range underscore lookup. Let's break down each component of the function. 1. Lookup underscore value. This is the value you want to search for in the leftmost column of the lookup table. It can be a specific value, cell reference, or a formula that evaluates to a value. 2. Table underscore array. This is the range of cells that contains the lookup table. The lookup column should be the leftmost column of this range. The table can be on the same sheet or a different sheet. It is common to use cell references or named ranges for this argument. 3. Call underscore index underscore number. This is the column number in the table from which you want to retrieve the data. The first column in the table is numbered 1, the second column is 2, and so on. 4. Range underscore lookup. Optional. This parameter determines whether an exact match or an approximate match is required. It can be either true or false. If true or omitted, an approximate match will be performed. The lookup table must be sorted in ascending order. If false, an exact match is required. Here's an example to illustrate how the VLOOKUP function works. Assume you have a table with student names and their corresponding grades. Suppose you want to find the grade of a student named Ravi. You can use the VLOOKUP function as follows. Equals VLOOKUP, Ravi, A1, B5, 2, false. In this example, Ravi is the lookup value, A1, B5 is the table array, 2 is the column index number, which indicates the second column containing the grades, and false indicates an exact match is required. The function will search for Ravi in the first column of the table and return the corresponding value from the second column. In this case, the result will be 92, indicating Ravi's grade. That's a basic explanation of the VLOOKUP function and its usage. It can be a powerful tool for performing data lookups in Excel. To learn such more powerful tool for searching and retrieving data from tables based on specific criteria, please follow my LinkedIn page. Like, share, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in next video.